Bar and boom.
Let's start slow, nice and neat. Move your body, tap your feet. Touch your head and touch your nose. Wiggle fingers, touch your toes. Clap your hands, turn around. Let's get ready, move up and down. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth and nose. Now let's dance and touch our toes. Can you touch your head real quick? Now your shoulders click, click, click. Bend your knees and tap your toes. Wiggle, wiggle, touch your nose. Jump up high and spin around. Shake your body, don't slow down. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth and nose. Touch them quick before we close. Let's all freeze. Don't move at all. Stand so still, don't let yourself fall. Now when I say go, 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 jump up fast and touch your toe. Now shake, shake.